Hello everyone, welcome back my channel.
Blake Lively claims Justin Baldoni legal battle left her with extreme anxiety. Her kids traumatized. Docs. Blake Lively's amended complaint highlighted the ongoing legal battle with Justin Baldoni, claiming it has left the actress with extreme anxiety and traumatized her children. Lively filed the complaint on February 18, over a month after she initially accused her It Ends With Us co-star of sexual harassment. The emotional impact on Ms. Lively has been extreme, not only affecting her, but her family, including her husband and 4 children. There are days when she has struggled to get out of bed, and she frequently chooses not to venture outside in public. The amended complaint, obtained by Fox News Digital, reads, "While she has fought to maintain her personal life and business interests, behind closed doors she has suffered from grief, fear, trauma, and extreme anxiety. She also has been experiencing repeated and painful physical symptoms as a result of this experience. Mr. Reynolds, too, has been affected mentally, physically, and professionally by his wife's and children's pain," the complaint continues. Worst of all, however, has been the impact on their young children, who have been traumatized and emotionally uprooted in ways that have substantially impacted their well-being. The decision to highlight the emotional impact of the case on Lively days after the Gossip Girl star appeared at the star-studded celebration of Saturday Night Live's 50th anniversary was poorly timed, entertainment lawyer Cameron Dallotshahi told Fox News Digital. "It seems a bit poorly timed to lodge this amended complaint just days after a very public appearance, especially when there is a focus on Ryan Reynolds' apparent emotional distress," Dallotshahi, a partner at MSD Lawyers, added. "He was the one joking around on SNL." Lively and Reynolds were given a deadline of February 18 to file an amended complaint against Baldoni by Judge Lewis Lyman. "This makes even more clear that the public appearance was not a good idea," Dallotshahi said. The attorneys included the phrase, "behind closed doors," in an attempt to explain the appearances, but typically, you don't want to be in a position to have to qualify and contextualize your client's actions. You simply advise them not to do certain things. Blake Lively versus Justin Baldoni. Everything to know. However, Lively's mention of how the case involving sexual harassment has affected her family and traumatized her children could indicate that the lawsuit must be worth fighting for. Ryan McCormick, a reputation management expert and managing partner at Goldman McCormick PR, explained to Fox News Digital. "One can say it's an attempt to maximize public empathy, but at the same time, if these allegations are proven true, it's Lively just expressing how she really feels," the branding expert said. "Sometimes we think that celebrities have a magical, wonderful life, but they're a lot like the average person. They have families to take care of. People like Reynolds and Lively are under scrutiny 24/7, and the emotional toll from legal situations like this can hit a lot harder because everything is public knowledge." Lively admitting how devastating this has been for her family and yet, upping the ante in the battle, indicates that it must be worth fighting for. McCormick noted Lively and Reynolds have to be seen and stay relevant. "For the negative reaction surrounding their SNL 50 joke, I didn't think it was that bad. Self-deprecating humor can go a long way. Also, for the power couple to show vulnerability by admitting how deep their anguish is actually positive for their image," McCormick explained. "When this lawsuit first kicked off in such a public manner, I was surprised. One may have assumed it was due to bruised egos. However, now because Blake Lively has amended her complaint to include other women who alleged wrongdoing by Justin Baldoni, I think it's an indication that the matter is more serious than originally perceived." Days before filing the amended complaint, Lively attended the 50th celebration of Saturday Night Live on February 16 with her husband. Reynolds seemingly poked fun at his and his wife's legal situation and the surrounding media frenzy as Tina Fey and Amy Poehler took the stage. The SNL alums spotted Reynolds in the crowd and asked, "How's it going?" Reynolds quickly responded, "Great, why? What have you heard?" The reference to the lawsuits and "It Ends With Us" drama with Baldoni appeared to catch Lively off guard as she looked at her husband with a confused look on her face. Legal experts agreed that Reynolds' joke at SNL 50 was mostly harmless. Reynolds does not have an analogous emotional distress claim against Baldoni, so his public appearances are not as harmful, Dallotshahi told Fox News Digital.